Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming an autumn inspired makeup look, or fall I guess you could call it. So I hope you enjoy. To get started, I've primed and concealed my lids with the Nars Creamy Radiant Concealer. For this look I've used the ABH Riviera Palette. With the shade Coastline, I've blended this all over my lids. Then with the shade Palm, I've applied this with a smaller brush into the outer and inner corners of my eyes to create the shape for a halo eye look. I've then buffed the color in a bit more with a fluffier brush. With the shade Estate and a large fluffy brush, I've softened the harsh lines up a bit. Using a concealer brush and concealer, I've applied this to the center of my eyelids just below the crease. Then I've looked up, creating a crease line which I've applied concealer directly under. I've then used the shadow Palm again and a small detailing brush to define the shadow above the halo. I've then touched up the corners. Using the shade Inheritance, I've applied this over top the concealer and created a sort of upside down triangle shading for the halo. I've then tidied the inner and outer corner again to define the shape. Using a white liquid liner, I've drawn a fine line at the top of the halo. With Inheritance, I've applied the shadow over top the white liner to create a sort of lighter gold effect. I've applied mascara, then false lashes off of camera. Can't forget to highlight my inner corner. I've then lined my eyes with a liquid liner and created a small wing. Going back in, I've highlighted my brow bone. To start on my skin, I've sprayed my face with a priming spray, then used the Cover FX Calming Primer. Using a damp beauty blender and the Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation, I've applied this all over and dabbed it in.
I've then concealed under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and around my mouth on any scarring. With the Laura Mercier setting powder, I've baked this all over my face with a small beauty blender. I've then contoured my face all over with the Pur Contour Diaries with the middle bronzer. Using a clean powder brush, I've brushed off the setting powder. With an angled brush, I've applied blusher. Using a small face brush, I've highlighted the top of my cheekbones, center of my nose, and Cupid's bow. Using a clear brow gel, I've brushed my brow hairs into obedience, and then I filled my brows in with a Milani brow pomade and touched up with the gel again. Using the shade Palm again and a small eye brush, I've blended this into my lower lash line and then added Estate over top for a softer blend. I've then touched up my inner corner highlight for the last time. And then with the Soap & Glory Smoulder Kohl eyeliner, I've lined my waterline and applied mascara to my bottom lashes. To complete this autumnal look, I've applied my favorite new lipstick from Fenty Beauty in Freckle Fiesta. And lastly, I've set my face with the Urban Decay setting spray.
Hey guys, so this is the finished look. It's quite a dramatic going out look. I made it pretty golden. I wanted to kind of interpret 4 colors with the lipstick, so I didn't go too red with the eye makeup or anything like that. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do like it and subscribe to my channel, as I'd love that. Yeah, thanks so much for watching.